Assalamu alaikum students. I am Miss Razia Babar, come with the English syllabus 9th class. Here we are having chapters as well as poem. First chapter, The Last Sermon of Holy Prophet. Second is Shah Abdul Latif, then Mohenjo-daro, Helen Keller and Allama Iqbal. Altogether we are having 5 chapters and 2 poems, The Neem Tree and The Daffodils. So these chapter and poems include in your literature 1. Now come to the syllabus of English language. We are having these topics. Topic number 1 is transformation of sentences. Transformation of sentences include negative, interrogative, assertive and affirmative sentences. Our next topic is tenses. In these tenses, complete tenses will be there. Means indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Then change of tenses. Next topic is articles. Rules of articles will be given and few exercises will be given to you to fill in the form of fill in the blanks. Next is preposition. Preposition will be discussed with you and few exercises will be given to you. Next topic is punctuation. Rules of punctuation will be given to you and some exercises will be given to you. Next is comprehension. Comprehension, few passages will be given to you and you are supposed to make the answers of the questions given at the end of the comprehension passage. Now regard with essays, letter and application. The topic of essays, letter and application will be provided to you and you are supposed to make the essays, letter and application regard with the given topics. Now come to the paper pattern of English 9th class. Question number 1, MCQs. We are having multiple choice question. It will be of only 30 minutes. Question number 2, question answer of chapters. Question number 2B, question answers of poems. Question number 3, reference to contest of chapters. Question number 4, reference to contest of poems. Question number 5, fill in the blanks. Question number 6, idioms. Question number 7, essays. Question number 8, letter and application on choice. You are supposed to attempt a letter or an application. Question number 9, regard with translation. Few sentences, few Urdu sentences will be given to you and you are supposed to make it into translate these sentences into English. Then the last topic is comprehension. A passage is given to you and 5 questions will be given in the end and you are supposed to write the answers of those 5 questions. Now thank you so much for your time. Now students, you have to take mark these topic from your book and you have to learn these topics for your first as included as in your first term syllabus and language topics as well as the literature one. And the paper pattern is discussed in front of you, but the marks distribution is not supplied over here because previously we are having English subject with the 75 marks, but right now it will be increased and your marks will be of 100. So that's why I didn't put the marks of the mentioned topics. So it will be informed by me inshallah. So stay blessed and stay healthy. Thank you so much for your time. Allah Hafiz.